Good YouTube. You already know how we getting down, man. Beast is right here, man. Hey, man. Make sure y'all cop a catless downpipe and straight pipe your motherfucking B58. It's the way to go, man. This shit sounds crazy. I listened to a 440. I listened to a 340 straight pipe. I don't know, but mine has like a weird high-pitched sound that I literally, I like it, but I don't like it. It doesn't have that raspy, like that deep raspy. I don't know, but let's start her up so y'all can hear how she sounds. And then, you know, I'll set the camera up. I recently just got the roof wrap, so they put a piece of wrap on that to keep the glue sticking, but I'm gonna take it off probably tomorrow. Just let it sit on there because I want to make sure my antenna glue dried thoroughly. So guys, yeah, this is my 540i. Current mods I have done to it is downpipe, catless. I have MHD, and right now we're running OTS E40. You could run that on the Gen 2 cars because we come with the TU pump, and the TU pump you can run an E40 mix. I have XHP stage 3 with a custom transmission flash, and on the back I have some welts on the, you can't really see the size tire, but I'm running 275. I'm running 275 40 17s on the rear, and on the front I'm running 245 40 18s on the front. The diameter is 0%, so everything works out pretty good. And then yeah, so this is the beast, y'all. Hope y'all enjoy the content I've been putting out for y'all, man. It's been way easier recording with my phone than using the camera, because setting it up, it's so hard with the camera. So I'm thinking about what routes we're gonna take. But guys, trust me, I'm loving this B58. This car has been a dream come true. I've been wolfing every video. You guys have been seeing me in my do-rag, and I don't like that look, so I just been wolfing out. I should get a haircut Friday, so I'll bring y'all on a haircut vlog. But yeah, here's the beast. Let's start her up. I've been talking for 2 minutes, so fuck it, let's start her up so y'all could see how she sounds. We do have a 2022 model, so you could press it 3 times and the beast is gonna start up. It'll blink twice. Upcoming is I have a big turbo kit already purchased. Everything is on the way. It's from Remnant Performance. It's a 65 Omega. I have the intake manifold to keep my temps down, and then I'm gonna go a port injection with a flex fuel kit. So I have all that ordered, and it's just waiting on the turbo kit to get here. The turbo kit, I ordered it from September 9th. It's October 17th and it still haven't arrived yet, but we're staying calm, staying patient, and hopefully, you know, turbo kit will come in. And yeah, but yeah, she's a beast. See, look, she finally quieted down, and now she has like a nice little idle, but nothing too crazy, you know. So you can straight pipe your car and it's not going to be ridiculously loud like a Mustang, you know. So yeah, guys, this is the 540. I'm gonna set it up so we get a little rolling POV shots, and then yeah, we go from there. If I didn't cover anything that you wanted to if you guys wanted to hear, drop it down in the comment section below, and then yeah, we'll get to it. You know, I don't like to talk too much in my videos. Straight action. Let's get to the action, man. Y'all waited 5 minutes, so now 5 minutes full of action. Let's do it. All right, just beginning the POV. Hey guys, we got a cold front in Florida today, so you know shit's beautiful, man. We got tire pressure malfunction because you know I'm whipping that big boy Mickey Thompson. You know what I mean? We whipping on Mickeys, man. I'll give y'all one light. Give y'all one light so it's not too dark in here. But yeah, guys, I had to whip out the Montclair because anything under fucking 70, we cold over here in Florida, man. Too cold for us, man. Way too cold. For this POV, yeah, some sports displays. Why not? Parking brake. Alright, guys. Should we do windows down? So it's very windy outside, so I doubt windows down would be a good thing. I'm just going to give y'all a couple minutes of us rolling with the windows up. And then I'm going to give y'all a couple minutes of us riding with the windows down. But yeah, it's fairly quiet. As long as you... How harder you squeeze it is the harder it's going to sound. And I did add a little burbles to it. Spice it up a little bit. Seen somebody I know. Sounds pretty good. Oh, tornado! Oh my God! They got the sprinklers on when it's so damn windy outside. Yeah, I like the burbles like this. Not too, like it's just perfect. It's not too loud, not too annoying. Let's see how they sound in Sport Plus. That turbo is whistling, y'all. But yeah, I love this. Like, it's not too loud, not too annoying. It has a little drone, but other than that, I think it sounds good. And that's because I'm in sport transmission. With the transmissions, I shift longer, so it has a little weird, you know? There's no big bangs though, no really big bang pops, just normal, you know. But yeah, cruise around the city for y'all, let y'all enjoy this little POV, you know. Right now we're coming from Florida. I'm gonna just drive around, let y'all enjoy the ambient lighting, let y'all enjoy the sounds of the beast. Do a quick pull. I know it's not warm, guys. Do not kill me in the comment section. I want to do it for y'all though. Woo! Shit felt nice, man. Shit felt real nice. Post it, post it, post it. Got a cop, no cop. Good to go. I think I'm gonna go straight. the cube, little cube. Cute. You know, I got my little meds right here finna, you know, hopefully I don't get yellow marked or whatever you call it, but look it. Smoking a spliff while I do this little POV for y'all, man. Yeah, man, I just can't, I just wonder how the car's feeling right now. There's hella air outside, you know. I'm gonna adjust the burbles again to see what else I could get out of it. Because I had it to a point where I was getting big pops. So I don't know what I gotta adjust, but I have them on like 1.2 seconds right now, so I'm probably gonna drop it back to like 1.9 or some shit. Yeah, I have it. I got AC on. I don't need no AC. We got the monitor on. Let's do another pull before we hit the neighborhood. Oh, what was that? It sounded like my camera, bro. Fuck. Six 803 Elisa. 803? Yeah. I don't need your own. Jermaine? Yeah, your name. Jermaine? Yeah, resident. Why it get harder every time for me to come in here? They keep switching us around. I remember there was a point where the guard people been here so long that everybody knew me. Yeah, but I only been here like probably a week. Really? Yeah, but I'll remember next time. Alright, thank you. Bomba clock! The car move! The car now run! They now play! This shit is fun! This shit's fun as fuck. Put my Ziggy down because my people do not play that smoking shit. They'll beat my ass. Alright, guys. We just pulled over right now.
Looks like you lost another one.
The meet, hella nice cars here. Corvette over there just left. 340. A white, another 340 over there.
Are you trying to run it? Like friendly? If we all run out?
Yeah, I don't care.
Alright. I'm making it.
R8, another 440. A lot of cool cars out here, man. Yes, sir. Car sounds good, y'all. We're just leaving a race meet tonight. See, I give y'all all this good content, man. I'm staying out of my bed. We got an R8, we got an S550, we got two S550s, and we got an M340. I'm gonna drive one down by 2. I just tried to race in front of the police. I was just processing that. I didn't really process that fully. I almost went to jail, guys. What the fuck? I'm done going to these fucking meets, bro. Shit don't make no sense, dog. Too much cops. They on ass lately. Oh, man. Gotta park the car up for a while. The fuck, bro? The cops are outside like a motherfucker. Shit don't make no sense. Shit crazy. They brave for keep going the same way. I turned around. I went the other direction. I don't want no smoke with no cops, bro. Straight up. These cops got that. Which was the worst area of the country. I think that Palmy's fun, guys. Get it, dog. Let's get it. Count. M3 from a dig. If you guys are still recording, guys, we're getting this action, man. We just ran a quick little M2. He didn't want no smoke, though. What is this now? M2 again? Man, run it from a dig, man. I feel you, dog. Respect, bro. Bro said he didn't race, bro. I respect it. for M2, dog.
Hi, would you like to use the mobile app to earn points today?
No. Hello?
What can I get for you?
Can I get a McChicken?
McChicken?
Yeah.
Okay.
And what else do I want? Can I do a do you guys have can I do a strawberry milkshake?
We don't have strawberry shake.
Damn. What you got, vanilla?
Yeah.
Alright, can I do a caramel shake?
Medium?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And that's all. Thank you.
First window, please.
Hey.
Is that McChicken with the vanilla shake?
Yeah.
$7.58.
Alright, thank you. I always be looking for my phone. We got a McChicken with a. I'm tired, guys. It's 12 o'clock at night. About to put this video on the chopping board, edit it up real quick for you guys. And yeah, man, we're just moving out, pushing out the content. I did a couple pulls, you know. The fucking cop was fucking right there. Man, McDonald's line long as hell. Let me save my memory.